Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is currently following our main scenario here, actually quite well. So ADA rallied off our support area into the target area, reacted there where it needed to in this Fibonacci extension target area for the third wave, pulled back into the support area in 3 waves, showed a rally into resistance in 3 waves, and is now also reacting to that. That's now the first indication that wave C to the downside has started. By the way, we don't need to see the price drop into the area around 43.8 cents to 34.5. It could be a shallow pullback. I mean, it eventually depends on how much does the market need this price to come down to fully correct the move up that happened before. And you can figure that out by checking the length of the A wave and comparing it with the length of the C wave. Now that we have wave B, just 1 second, something's shifting here. Now that we have wave B technically possibly complete, it's not fully confirmed yet. I mean, again, we've seen a first reaction to resistance that's promising. That is following our wave count, but I need to see a break eventually below that A wave low, or at least below the previous swing low here at 52.2 cents to have an indication that the C wave has started. And then we can use the Fibonacci extension tool to find out where that C wave should be heading. The first target would be the 100% extension level. This is currently at 47.8 cents. Now you might say, okay, but that's far above support. Well, yeah, I mean, it's only support. It's not necessarily target down here. But then again, 100% extension is only the first level. Often they also go a little lower, possibly to the 1.618 extension level at 41.2 cents. Now, you need to understand that obviously this first ABC structure could just be a larger A wave of an even larger ABC structure. But that is currently not, we cannot predict that. We need to see how the price reacts after it's formed that C wave completely. So essentially what I'm waiting for is, first of all, now for an indication if these swing lows are breaking. Then I assume that is wave C. Then I'm going to take a look at these levels I just told you and watch for a reaction. And if the reaction is impulsive, then this would be an indication that the next rally to the upside has started. Even though I have to say, because we're dealing with a diagonal pattern here, the 5th wave move up could just be corrective. Yeah, it doesn't need to be impulsive. However, we'd like to see the wave 4 to be somewhat substantial in size. Okay, so the wave 2, for example, lasted, well, okay, it started in July, middle of July, well, basically 2 months, yeah. 2 months, so it will probably take a little longer than just a few days to form this wave 4 correction, I would say. So I'm primarily watching for the price to get into this support area. That would be a nice and healthy wave 4. And looking at the time and everything, I mean, I think it is quite reasonable to expect this to turn into a larger ABC structure. But that's what time will tell. First of all, you need to understand that the trend, I see the trend as still down. Okay, downside pressure remains, and I expect further downside to develop, especially as long as we stay below standard resistance at 61.5 cents. So I'll keep you updated about that. We need a little bit more price action here to really determine how the move to the downside is going to unfold in detail, but the parameters are very clear. The support here is 34.5 cents. Doesn't mean we need to go down all the way to that support, but this is the critical support, and the current wave count of a wave 4 with a wave 5 to come is valid and likely and reasonable as long as we're holding above that level. And there is a lot of space, to find support. Yeah, not much more to add at this stage. So maybe tomorrow we have a little bit more price action. Today, not so much happened. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.